Welcome back, friends. So, in this lesson, I will show you how to make the most of one of the most powerful features of this course, our AI powered interview role plays. These simulations are designed to give you a realistic, low pressure environment to practice interview questions and improve your performance across different global trade roles. Let's take a closer look at how you can use them effectively. Let us first discuss what are these AI role plays in this course. You will find these AI role plays in every section, every module of this course. So, AI role plays are interactive practice interviews that simulate what real recruiters or hiring managers might ask in job interviews, in real job interviews. Each role play is built around a specific job function, maybe logistics, trade finance, export documentation, or export marketing. A set of typical interview questions, follow-up prompts by AI interviewer, and reflection points to help you improve and progress by repeated try with these interviews. For this, you may need to ask the AI interviewer to provide you the feedback on your answers. You can interact with the AI interviewer, speaking your answers as you would in the real interview situation, or even by recording yourself, your responses for your own review. You can do that also. Now, I will tell you step by step how to use AI role plays effectively. In the first step, set the scene. Imagine you are in a real interview. Find a quiet place, sit up straight, and respond like you would in front of a hiring panel. In the second step, speak your answers in comfortable pace and tone. Speak your answers as instructed. In the role plays, read all instructions carefully before starting. Once you have done one role play, in the next round of try, it will become very easy for you to repeat and you will learn all these steps and instructions. This helps to progress with fluency, confidence, and body language. In the third step, pause and reflect. After each interview cycle, reflect. Did I structure it well? Did I stay relevant? Could I add any example or can improve the answer, maybe using star method? In the fourth step, repeat and improve. Don't stop at one round. Go back and refine your answers. Maybe next time the set of questions may be different. Don't panic. Keep repeating. The goal is not perfection, but progress. Now, how to use these AI role plays effectively? Let's talk about that. These AI simulations are not just for testing, they are for training. That is the main goal. They help you build muscle memory for interviews. So when the real moment comes, you feel calm and ready. You will find AI role play sessions in every module ahead, tailored to the job roles covered. For example, logistics coordinator, trade finance executive, export officer, marketing manager, and more. So treat them as your preparation advantage. Make it a habit. Use the role plays regularly. Practice your tone, structure, volume, and timing, and track your improvements with the feedback from the AI interviewer and coaching videos that follow each simulation. You now have an edge that most candidates don't. A structured, guided space to practice like a pro. Let's get started with the first role specific module, that is the next module, focusing on logistics roles in international trade. See you there.